In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the app within the Center of Excellence core component solutions called as App Catalog. Now, what is this app? This app is basically a listing of the apps within your organization, which you would like to show it to end users, to the makers, to the citizen developers, or to the wider audience. Now, it's basically a repository of apps which will allow your end users to be more productive or do some actions which will help improve their efficiency. Now, what this app catalog is, it's basically a selective listing of apps within your organization. So you can actually select which app to show, which app to not to show, which app to mark it as a featured app. It will also allow you to categorically list all your apps based on the functions within your organization. So, take for example, if there is a finance, if there is a collaboration, if there is a HR based apps, so those all things can be categorized and then presented to the end users. Now, this is I'd say this is like a main focal point or basically main platform for launching the app. Okay, so you can mark this app as one of the main app for users to navigate and then select further apps based on uh, the apps which are exposed to the general wider audience. Now, this app can be selectively listed, and this app can be this app can be like say filtered out by like your testing team, and then once the testing team has passed this validation, then you can project this app and then show in the app catalog. In this app, you can also leave feedback for the makers, you can contact the app makers, and in case you do not have access, you can also request for it. So let me go into the demo and show you how this app catalog looks like. Now, this is how the app catalog looks like. But before than that, how do you navigate to this? Again, you need to go into the Center of Excellence core component solution, uh, go into apps, and then within this app, you can go into app catalog. So if I select app catalog and then I click on this icon, I click on play, I will be landed in this page. Now, currently in app catalog, you may not see any of the tiles because it will be a fresh environment for you guys. But if you want to show something, then you do not have any functionality to enable it over here. Now, you may need to take help of another app, okay, where all the configuration information are placed. So that app is named as Power Platform uh, Admin View app. Okay, so this is this app, Power Platform Admin View. It's basically model driven app. So I've already opened it ahead of time, Power Platform Admin View app. Now, what is this app? Is this app will show you all the inventory within your organization. So I'll just focus on currently on one of the component called as Power Apps app. Now, in this section, it will show you the listing of all the apps within your organization. What I'm gonna do is like, let me pick one app. Say this is the app, Giri 24 April 2023. Okay, the moment I click on this app, I'll be presented with more details about this app. So I'm not going to go into much depth in this, as I'm going to explain this in my next video in more depth. I'll just go into governance component. Okay. Now, in the governance component, it says that do you want to show this app in the app catalog? Okay. Now, Giri 24 app 2023 app. If I go into the screen, I don't see this app listed over here. Now, the moment I click on show it in app catalog and then save this, and after some time, I should be able to view this app over here. Now, it might take a while, but sometimes the changes are very quick. So, as you see over here, I am able to see this Kiri 24 April 2023 app listed because I have marked this as to show. Now, here if I can do a couple of things over here. It says launch the app. Basically, this launching the app is all about like going into the sharing permissions for this app, and then you can share this app with multiple users. Alternatively, click on learn more. The moment you do that, you will be presented with one screen which will show you some basic information about the app. Now, as this app does not have any description, so it says no description. It will show you the environment, owner, when it was created, when it was published, those sort of things. It will show you a list of connections, and it will also show you the ratings and reviews. So if you go into this menu over here, if I click on launch, this app will be launched. Okay. If you click on leave review, it will allow you to set a review for this app. So let me put some review. Let me put, say, this app is awesome. So currently I'm like a normal user. I have come to this app and I visited this app. I like this app and this app is awesome. I submitted it. Okay. So now after some time, this review will show in the app catalog. Okay. So it will go through some approval process. Now, alternatively, if I have any questions to the maker of this app, I can click on email maker, and an email to that maker will go. Okay. Uh, so I'll just say how to use. Can you send me the tutorial for this app? Okay. So I can send some information to the maker of this app. Alternatively, if I do not have access, I can request for an access. So the moment I click on request for access, a notification email will be sent to the maker. Okay. So like this, you might see here, like we have done three actions. One is we submitted the review. We have sent some email to the maker about some query with regards to the app, and an access request has been sent to the owner. You will receive a notification if the access has been granted or not. So that's it, folks. So this is all about App Catalog app. It is basically a launching pad for all your users within your organization. So App Catalog will give you a filtered view of the apps, which has been certified by the admin to be presented to a wider audience. Thanks for watching.